Alright guys, so welcome back to my channel once again. Today we are going to learn how to do a wig from the scratch. So I will be using, or I am using, a 4x4 frontal, and I got this from Manhattan beauty supply store. And what you want to do in the first place is try and secure it on your wig cap with no spaces, and make sure you tie a knot at the beginning of it and at the end of it if you want it to be secured. So I will have a link to this hair in the description box. You can go check them out. They really have good hair and I love this hair. It is 100% human and is in the color of natural dark. So over here I am just sewing in my bundles, and I used 3 bundles, technically 2.5 because there was some left over afterwards, and I am using it in the inches 18, 18 and 16. So I'm done with 2 18 bundles. I have the 16 bundle now, and that's what I'm about to use, which I did not finish all of it. There was some left over, as I said earlier on. After you're done sewing in your bundles, you want to pluck your part and then your baby hairs. Guys, so this is the final look. If you did like it, let me know in the comment box, and also if you want to see how I dyed my roots, let me know. I will show you guys in another video. So follow me on social media as Sperryvee, which is Instagram, and Sperrygood on Facebook. And if you like this video, go ahead and hit the thumbs up, and also subscribe if you're not subscribed and it's your first time. Welcome once again. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.
They told you that you couldn't do it 'cause you're washed up. Ain't like them bad girls said you should get your soul.